Hello, welcome to CBM Pot with me, Chef Bill Mkono. Maneno kwa wetu mbaya sana. And today I'm going to prepare French toast or toast mayai in Swahili. A very simple and delicious snack that you can easily make anytime that you want, very fast. So let's do this. Maneno kwa wetu mbaya sana. I'm using my brown bread. I usually like brown bread, but you can always feel comfortable to use white or any bread of your choice. I'm having salt, sugar, some milk, and eggs. That's the only thing that you need, but you can always elevate the flavor. You can use some egg yellow, you can use some vanilla essence, some chilies. That is up to you. So let's do this. So I'm whisking my eggs until foamy, so that my French toast doesn't have egg white patches on top. It must have that consistency. I'm using that is corn oil mixed with sugar and salt. Make sure the crystals have dissolved very well in the corn oil before you add your eggs. I'm adding my eggs slowly by slowly, incorporating in the corn oil. Make sure you whisk very well so that the flavor can be evenly distributed in the eggs and making your French toast more delicious and flavorful all parts. So my mixture is ready. I'm going to add milk. That milk helps in fastening your browning, the browning of the French toast, yeah? So my pan is getting hot, and never put your oil before the pan gets hot because it will burn. Maneno iko wetu mbaya sana. That is a culinary tip you have to master or remember. So my French toast is cooking very well. Eat 2 minutes each side, or depending with the temperature that you are using. Make sure they are golden brown. That looks absolutely beautiful, delicious, exquisite, beautiful, scrumptious. Anytime that you want to use, that looks amazing. Maneno iko wetu mbaya sana. Mautamu reloaded. Make sure they have dried very well both sides, because you don't want a soggy French toast. Make sure they have dried very well both sides. Voila, and that is my French toast. Very easy recipe, very easy snack to make. Maneno iko wetu mbaya sana, and that is my French toast. You can always take with any drink of your choice, coffee, soft drink. You be the boss. Maneno iko wetu mbaya sana. Thank you so much for watching. Muchas gracias, merci, asanteni sana, dank. Let us meet in the next episode.